The morning bell is ringing, and school is about to start.
Oh no, I am going to be late for class.
Quick, quick! Just a few more steps to go.
Made it just in time before the bell stopped.
Look at Finn! Super happy that he made it on time.
Whoo! My seat is right over here. I made it. That was so fast. Good morning, everyone. Ready for a super fun day? Did you guys finish the cool science homework from yesterday? Who is this boy talking to us right now?
Wait a minute. Who are you?
What do you mean? It is me, Finn.
Why is everybody looking at me so strange today?
Huh? Where are my usual best friends? This desk looks a little bit different, too.
Wait! That is advanced math on the board!
Good morning. Are you in the right room, young man?
Oh no! I am in the wrong classroom.
This is so embarrassing! Everyone is staring at me!
Son, this is class 4B, not 2A.
I want to shrink and disappear right now. Maybe if I crawl out very quietly, nobody will notice.
Slink, slink, just gonna slide away.
Escape.
Hey, Finn. I saw you run into the wrong room. Don't panic, Finn. Just stay calm. Nia. Shh. I am trying to sneak out quietly.
Running away quietly will not solve the problem, Finn.
You should be brave and speak to the teacher. But Nia... Hoi, everyone will laugh at me if I speak up.
It is okay to make mistakes. Just apologize nicely.
But time is running out. Class is starting.
Taking responsibility is always the right thing to do.
Okay.
You are right, Nia. I can do this.
Finn takes a deep breath and stands up tall.
Excuse me, Mr. Teacher.
Yes, little guy? How can I help you?
I am really sorry for bursting into your classroom.
I was running too fast,
and went into the wrong door.
The whole room is listening to Finn's honest words.
Thank you for being so polite and honest, Finn. It happens to everyone at least once. Don't worry.
Everyone starts laughing together in a friendly way.
Good luck finding your real class, Finn.
Wow, they aren't mean at all. They are so nice.
See, Finn? That wasn't scary at all.
Have a great math lesson, everyone. Bye! Now, let us head to our actual classroom quickly. Class 2A is just 2 doors down this way. Look! Here is our real room.
Look at all of Finn's real classmates sitting at their desks.
Good morning, Class 2A. I am finally here. Ah, this desk feels much more familiar. My blue hoodie matches this chair perfectly.
You did a great job back there, Finn.
Thanks to you, Nia. You really helped me today.
All right, class. Today, we are learning about being brave and honest.
Ooh! I just had a real lesson about that morning.
Would you like to share your story with us, Finn?
Sure. Earlier today, I accidentally sat in class 4B. So I tried to build the volcano for the science fair, but it mostly just covered my little sister in baking soda. I was scared, but I said sorry to the teacher and everyone. And everyone was super kind about it.
That is a wonderful story, Finn. Saying sorry takes courage.
Finn and Nia draw together like the best of friends. Mistakes are just chances to learn something new.
Always remember to speak politely whenever you make a mistake. Time goes by fast when you are having fun at school.
What a crazy and exciting morning it was.
I am never gonna be scared to say, I am sorry again. That is the best takeaway from today, Finn.
Everyone makes mistakes, and that is totally okay.
Don't be afraid to apologize when you go wrong. See you next time for another exciting school adventure.